Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Lynn Ngomane. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I drop a video. Because guys, I have a lot of business ideas to share with you. So if you don't know what to start, but you want to start something, I'm your guy. I will teach you how. So guys, today I have exciting news. I'm sorry about that. I've actually came across something that I know that there is no one who has ever thought that you can make a lot of money out of it. So I've drafted some notes here. I will quickly go through that because guys, I was shocked when I saw this. I was shocked. So let me check it out. So guys, let's talk about this thing. Did you know that you can make money selling toothpicks or by making toothpicks? Yeah, you can. So there's a company called Zons or Zon. It's spelled Zhauns. It is based in Cape Town, Limpopo. I'm not sure about Limpopo and Pumalanga, but Gauteng it's there and here in Durban. And also, it's also available in other African countries. So guys, they sell a lot of machines, which we are going to discuss about in most of my videos. So guys, they've got a toothpick making machine which is sold at like below 20,000. So I'm not sure how much is it, but if you've got like 20,000, you are guaranteed to get the machine. And the beautiful part of it is that they install it for you. They've got tutorials on how you can use that machine. So guys, just imagine. What I like about this machine is that you can actually make 500,000 toothpicks per day. You make wooden toothpicks and bamboo toothpicks. So just imagine 500,000 toothpicks per day. So I've made an example, as I always do, that let's say since you can make 500,000 toothpicks per day using this machine. Let's say each pack, because I don't know how many toothpicks are in a pack. So let's just say each pack has 40 toothpicks. Each pack has 40, you divide 500,000 by 40, you get 12,500. It means that you will have, like per day, you will have 12,500 packs of toothpicks. And then I said to myself, let's just sell each pack by 5 rand. Not too much, just 5 rand. When you sell each by 5 rand, guys, you get 62,500. 5 rand times 12,500, you get 62,500 rand per day. If you are able to sell those packs per day, 62,500 rand per day. So guys, just imagine if you are able to sell maybe let's just say you are able to sell these 12,500 packs in a month. That is 62,500 for you. 62,000, and you can sell toothpicks in a lot of places. You can approach those women by taxi rank, those ladies who are cooking and selling pap and whatsoever. You can approach them and sell these toothpicks to them. They can afford that. They can afford to buy these ones because you'll be selling it for 5 rand. They can afford that, and they will buy it and they will support you. You can go to to those guys who have Shisanyama business and all that. They can support you. I am 100% sure. You can go to those local wholesale shops. They can support you. So guys, I think we should consider this business. It's a pity I don't have money right now to invest in this business, but I like this business, guys. So I think if you have money, just consider this business, guys. 62,500. 62,500. I'm not talking about for the whole month because it's all up to you. When you put in that work, you can make over, it means you can make over 100,000 a month if you work hard. Because if you can make 500,000 toothpicks per day, how many toothpicks in 30 days? You can do the math. So guys, this is actually a good business to start. Let's consider this business, and yeah, if you know that you cannot afford to do this business, just share with people whom you think that they can, guys. Let's share and support each other. Let's share, guys, and maybe one day they'll be able to share something with you that they think that it will help you. So please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I've got a lot of business ideas coming your way. So yeah, share, subscribe, and hit that notification. Bye bye.